Hello everyone, welcome to Secret Recipe by Shenoy. This is Nischita Shenoy with you. Today I am here with a special Onam vlog. So ആദ്യം തന്നെ എല്ലാവർക്കും എൻ്റെ ഹൃദയ നിറഞ്ഞ ഓണം ആശംസകൾ. Onam is a harvest festival celebrated by Keralites irrespective of their religion. This floral carpet called Pookalam is one of the speciality of Onam. Another speciality is the Onam Sadhya. It is a variety of traditional vegetarian dishes usually served on the banana leaf. So in this video, I'm going to show the way we celebrated Onam with our friends and made the day special one. Our Onam celebration was a potluck celebration where each of us brought some variety of dishes that ended up with a great feast. I started listing the items when Nitu was on the way to the supermarket. By an hour, Nitu was back with all the items that I needed. The dishes I selected was a sambar, rasam and a cabbage thoran. So I'm going to show you my way of rasam. Here I have taken 6 tomatoes roughly chopped. Add a tablespoon of salt in it. Add 1 cup of water. Let it cook for about 5 to 10 minutes until the tomato becomes mushy. Next add 1 teaspoon of crushed ginger, some shallots, 1 teaspoon of chopped green chili, some garlic crushed. Give a quick stir. Next add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, a marble sized tamarind paste. Let it boil for about 5 to 10 minutes. At the same time, take a pan, add some oil, take 1 tablespoon of peppercorns, 1 tablespoon of fenugreek seeds, 1 tablespoon of jeera. Roast it. Roast until a nice aroma comes out of it. Blend this mix into smooth powder. Now it's time to add the powder into the rasam. Stir it well. Give a nice boil. Then add handful of chopped coriander leaves. Season the rasam with a good amount of coconut oil, mustard seeds, red chili and few curry leaf. And then the rasam is ready. Next is cabbage thoran. To start with, take a bowl of grated coconut and add few curry leaves, tablespoon of jeera, 6 to 7 cloves of garlic, teaspoon of turmeric powder and 6 to 7 green chilies, and then blend it coarsely. I've taken 1 kg of chopped cabbage, added 1 tablespoon of salt and the ground masala. Give a good mix and let it rest for about 10 to 15 minutes. Then take a pan, add some oil, mustard seeds, urad dal, few curry leaf and the mixed cabbage mixture. Close the lid, let it cook for about 5 to 10 minutes and then the cabbage thoran is ready. Next comes sambar. I am not showing the recipe of the sambar as I have already showed in my previous vlog. So I'll just put the link in the description box. Please go through. Then we all started getting ready. Itanya was dressed up in the traditional dress. By then it was 1:30 in the afternoon. Some of our friends came in. Without delay, we started the preparations for Pookalam. My other friends got late as they were stuck up with wearing the sari. So we started with the preparation. The flower carpet looks more beautiful with more colors of flower. But as we were doing it inside our house, we brought only few colors. So I started with it. Our plan was to start Pookalam once everyone reaches, but as the time was running, I started doing it. And these two guys, they really helped me a lot, as Nitu was busy taking our video. And my baby, I love her a lot because every time I do something, she helps me. We all had a nice time making this floral carpet. Here comes the last touch-up. The Pookalam is almost done. By then our friends started coming one after another, and these were the dishes made by them. We were waiting for others to join. In between, Kichu's mom had called. Here comes the next couple, and they had prepared some sweets. They were the sweet factories of today's function. We all had worn flowers as it gives a traditional touch. The next group is here. So all are sitting and just chilling out. We still had 2 more families to join, so we were all waiting for them. Then we had a group photo. By the time it was almost around 2:30, so we started the lunch preparation. The speciality was having the lunch on a banana leaf, and everything has to be served one by one. We had planned around 20 varieties of dishes. Started with 2 varieties of banana chips, the sweet and the salt. And the other variety dishes include koot curry, aviyal, pachadi, and we have 3 types of pachadi, puli inji, and we had 2 types of thoran, that is cabbage thoran and beans thoran, and other different variety of dishes were also included. There comes the next family. Yes, the last family is also arrived. By the time we were all super hungry. Almost all the dishes are on the leaf now. Here comes rice. And papadam is the most important one in an authentic lunch menu. So this was a setup. We all had our lunch. Now the lunch is done. We all are sitting with the tummy full. After lunch, we had a small entertainment from few talented singers. and he is Mr. Anand. He is the humorous person of our group. He is acting like he is singing, but he is not singing. We all enjoy the way he entertains everyone.
दिल मेरा देखो ना मेरी हैसियत पूछो तेरे दिन एक दिन जैसे 100 साल।
So this is the way we have celebrated Onam 2020 in Qatar and tried to make a memorable one. I hope you all like this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Also put your comments in the comment section. See you all soon with my next video. Until then, bye. Take care.